did I did so many different stuff?
That'd be cool. Off we go. You know what's crazy is that like there's hardly anyone here, but this is one of my favorite parts. Is just enjoying the park and walking around. You know? There's the studio bus. Show going on. Ah, the white check. Favorite all-time ride. Oh, I love E.T. It's one of my favorite rides.
E.T. Go to Tickly. Hurry.
I've Mad dog.
You gotta pay extra for the They're good now. Phone. Oh look, they got the little poster. This guy. It's all good in the hood. I was like, sure. I was like, what the hell is this big ass thing in here for? You know, it's so crazy how like there's no one here. Yeah.
Instead of slushy, they got squishy. Dope, man.
You want a picture? Yeah.
Doing a ride Simpson?
Yeah. I just want to get on.
Now, which lucky family will be the first to go on my thrilling new ride? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Make it quick, I gotta go to the little clown's room, so the family that will see my show is the one who hollers, go! Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
How about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something.
Doing alright, Mr. Chris?
And we're off to Harry Potter Land.
This one did toss.
Where?
That one was nice.
Oh, yeah.
Really, thanks for stuff. Probably around the wrong time.
Yeah.
Move along to the security office to have your Grimwood's identification photo taken. Then, proceed to the large office at the end of the corridor, where an assistant will prepare you for your first visit.
Unauthorized persons who try to access the top security room are sucked into the door and trapped inside. We check the intruders about one.
Be mean. I said we turn back.
I don't think we can now.
Let's keep going. That Horcrux is here, in the Lestrange vault. I know it. Let's the cars, quickly.
I had it before. I'm gonna take the thing. Wow, that looks so yummy. Going to try this ice cream. They got buttermilk here, so we're gonna try this here in a bit. This is the kind that they have. Wasn't there like over there?
Yeah, there's some stuff
Yeah.
over there.
There's my daughter Eva, right there. Wasn't there like over there?
Yeah, there's some stuff
Yeah.
over there.
There's my daughter Eva, right there.
Right.
It looks so good.
What are they doing? You want to take a picture in front?
Yeah, I'll do that in a minute. Hold on.
We hope you have a fun and safe time here in Hollywood. Welcome back to Universal Orlando, and we'll see ya in the movies. Ta-da! Very good.
Do some little bit of shopping here. That's pretty nice. Oh my goodness. Okay. Me like all this. For real. Oh, OMG, how cute is all this? Really? You know, at the end of the day, you just want to look at the gift shops and look how cute all this is.
Live sets and the screen looked really clear. Like the fight scene.
Like, it looks so good, yeah.
A little knife even came out under the screen. At the time the guy threw it. It's like, oh,
Everything. It looked really good. So drama. Man, we stayed here pretty much the whole time.